Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and today I'm really excited because we are going to do another blind unboxing of some Smiskis. For those of you who've been following my blind unboxings, I have currently been obsessed with the different Smiski collections. The three that I'm going to be doing blind boxes of right now I actually don't have. So we've got the yoga variation, we've got the moving variation, and the cheer variation. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that down below, and if you enjoy these blind unboxings, be sure to give this video a like. All right, so let's jump right into it. I brought my little hugger, which is another type of blind box that the Smiskis have, and they actually attach to your phone. I was able to get the sleeping one, which I've gotten so many compliments on, and he's so cute because the Smiskis also glow in the dark. So now I'm deciding which one to open up. I've got, where's my other Smiskis? Let's bring the friends out here. So these are from different packs as well. There's so many different options for the Smiskis. I also have one that's holding up my toothbrush right now, but I can't wait for them to see their new friends. Look how adorable these are. So some are blue, some are green, and of course they all glow in the dark. Let's start with the Smiski cheer. So this one, they're all kind of like little cheerleaders in different positions. Honestly, I don't really care which one I get. One looks like it's playing the drums. There's two cheerleader options in one. One actually like using a xylophone, it looks like. One has a trophy, I think. That may be the secret, is one that wins a trophy. One is a conductor. Yeah, so let me see if I can show this to you so you can see the different options there. It is quite small. I was trying to shake it to make sure that I got one that was taller because I kind of want the cheer one that has the two cheerleaders on it, but again, doesn't really matter which one I get. I think I'll be happy with all of them. Okay. Definitely didn't shake that correctly. This feels like it's definitely going to be a sitting down one of some kind because it's not very tall. But let's see which one it is anyways. It's at an angle, so maybe it is a tall one still. Yep, it's the sitting down one. This one's super cute though. I mean, I tend to be getting kind of the lazier Smiskis. I don't know, maybe that's just my luck of the draw, but he's really cute, the sitting one. All right, he's cheering at me right now, hoping that I get one that I really want for the moving one. So this one, they're different Smiskis moving different items. So some are moving boxes, plants. Looks like one's pushing a box that he's dropped. See if you can kind of see the different options there. I think the one I really like the most, honestly, is the one that looks like he's fallen and he's shoving a box down. I don't know if I'm going to get that one. I think I was trying to shake this one too to get one that was more of a heavier feeling Smiski. But again, they're kind of hard to tell when you shake these boxes. And also the signs in the stores say not to shake them. Again, I think I definitely got another sitting one. Just my luck, I get the lazier ones that aren't standing. All right, let's see which one we have here. Oh no, this one is standing. Oh my gosh, it's the one with the cactus. I'm so happy. I didn't know that one was actually carrying a cactus. I have a small, strange obsession with cacti, but look how cute he is. Let me actually show you each of these. So this, again, is part of the moving series. So they're literally carrying different items. This one's carrying a little cacti though. How cute is he? And then part of the cheer series, oh, my cacti guy fell, is this little guy sitting down screaming. Which kind of cheerleader are you, I guess, in this mix? Let's see. How does this guy stand? I feel like this one needs a little, oh, there he goes. I was like, I don't think he can stand on his own. All right, now the last one is the Smiski yoga series. So all of the different Smiskis are doing different poses. Honestly, they're all really cute. Then, of course, this may contain a secret, which it looks like it's two Smiskis together if I get the secret yoga one. It's always fun, I feel like, to get a secret just because you don't really see the photo of it. And, of course, it's more rare and hard to get. So, I feel like I'm going to get another seated one, even though I thought that the one walking was going to be seated. I was kind of wrong there. All right. Which one? Which yoga pose will this Smiski be in? Will it be downward dog? Let's see. Oh no. Okay, this is a good pose. This one's just chilling, stretching his legs, it looks like. So another seated one. It looks like these two can be Bettys. They can sit next to each other. Yay! I'm so excited to add to my little Smiski family. Look at them. They're looking so adorable together. I can't wait to continue collecting these. I just think they're so cute. And again, each of these glows in the dark, so really cool to see them when I turn off my light. Oh, almost forgot our biggest Smiski, our little light. All right, everyone, let me know if you collect Smiskis. What is your favorite of all of the different categories and packs that they have? Again, I just got one from the yoga series, one from the moving series, and one from the cheer series just to add, but we also have one from like the toilet series. I've got this like little cute lamp, but yeah, really excited to continue to collect these and get more different family members to my Smiski family. I love putting them on my shelves and it's an easy way to collect. But again, let me know in the comments which is your favorite. That's it for this blind unboxing. Until next time, my name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We'll catch you on the next one.